You get 2 each.
These learners are taking part in a revision session on averages. It is being observed by other practitioners.
Oh! If he's got it in, what will we write on there? 0 centimetres, please.
I did a game where people have to throw paper balls into the bin. If they got the paper ball into the bin, they scored 0. If they missed the bin, you had to count up in centimetres how far away from the bin their throw was.
How could we find the average distance we missed the board by? Add them all up and divide by quantity of them.
We found the 3 different averages to find the distance from the bin to where their ball was, so we could work out what the average throw was, and you could see who threw better or worse than average in the class. And then they got to decide which of the averages they thought would be best. It reminds them what an average is. They can choose different types of averages to show different things. I often find as well that students forget which average is the mean, the median and the mode, and if they're doing it together as a group, hopefully they'll remember in the future.
Ooh.
I think it's good with around about 10 students. If I've got a larger class, split the class into 2, perhaps even 3, then you can have teams and you can see if one team is better than the other team. If you've got time, you can put it onto the computer and make different graphs as well. I did it today as a recap of averages, but I will use this as my first introduction to averages with a new class. I find if I do practical experiments in the class, they seem to remember better the things that they've done.